Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to create a meeting from an email in Microsoft Outlook. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Have you ever received an email in Outlook and there's some meeting details on there, and there's also a potential time for the meeting? And instead of copying and pasting all of this into a new meeting request, you would like to just turn this email into a meeting request. Well, that is possible. And it's possible by going over here in the email itself and going to the three dots for more commands. And then going down to the respond group and clicking meeting. And what this does is it takes the text of the email and it sticks it into an actual meeting request. And then all I need to do is put in the start time, I can put in the location, and I can invite some more people to it. So in this case, since it says meet Tuesday at 5 p.m., I'm going to click on my calendar and go to Tuesday and change my time to 5 p.m. and then hit send. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And now when I look at my calendar, I have the actual meeting right here on my calendar. And when I double click the calendar item, I can see that I have the text that had come in the email pasted right here in the calendar item. Now we go into this a little bit more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.